What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a board in Trello. Here you can see it's a new account, so now I want to make a board in this account. First of all, go to create option. Here you can see create option, then you can see start with the template, and you can also create board customly. So create board, I want to click here, and then here you can see you can choose the board background. You can select this as a default, and you can also select multiple color from here. Solid color, you can select this white, green, or as you can see, as you want, anyone you can select from here. Then click write a board name or write a board title. I want to You can write any name. So after that, click to create, and that's it. You can create a board using this method. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.